Assalamu Alaikum, my lovely friends and family. Hope you are doing good. Welcome to IWHAT section on Live with FND. Although I said I'm going to go to bed before, but I didn't end up going to bed. I was editing some video. Anyway, this is what I managed to come up for Saro for the family. I forgot to add sauce to the burger. This is vegetarian burger. It was rescued from Odu. I'm kind of depressed today, but I've shake it off. I've get off the bed. I can't believe that my ability is reducing day in, day out. The OT, the occupation therapy, ordered this for me, and it just arrived today. Is to use in the bathroom. You put it on the bathroom edge to sit down while bathing, because it's risky to bath while standing because of my condition. Subhanallah, you don't know the value of some things until you lose it. I just hope that I won't lose my ability. Anyway, it is what it is. Alhamdulillah, it can be worse than this. So the OT said that she's coming tomorrow to come and show me how to use this. As I said yesterday, that my kitchen is in bad state. So I've come downstairs now. I'm going to try and prep something to eat, and I need to put this kitchen in order. I don't like the way it is. It makes me anxious. Anytime my kitchen is jam-packed like this, it gives me anxiety. The kid has helped me wash all the plates and the pots. They just need to pack them away from the countertop. So I'll call them to come and do that now. I'll start by cleaning the cooker. I'm using Dr. Mozu for the tough stain. I plan to cook okra soup soon, okra and ogbonna, so I'll leave this one outside. I've packed the one that I need to put in the fridge, so I'll be putting this one in the fridge. I'll leave this one out for the okra and ogbonna soup. This is the best I can get out of the cooker. It can't be clean more than this. The cooker has tried. It's more than 70 years now since I had it. Since the cooker is clean now, I can now cook the rice. I don't like cooking with a dirty cooker. I don't know why. I don't just like it. See the time that I eventually get food ready for the family. This is what I eventually get. I cooked the jollof white rice, plantain, beans, and stew. I just make the rice and plantain. The beans has been made before. The stew has been made before as well. I'm very sorry that the iftar is late. Luckily, they've got something to eat at masjid already. Alhamdulillah, my main area of concentration today is the cooker, and I've done that. I'm really happy that I've done the cooker, so I'm going to take a break now to go and have Quran section with the kids, and probably come back and finish the rest of the kitchen cleaning. Alhamdulillah, I finished the Quran and Dua section with the kids. So while we are doing the Dua, I tried to rearrange my medication. I've got some new medications, so I just have to rearrange them where I normally put them. So these are all my medication. This has been sorted that I can't put them where we normally put them. I'm already tired. I just have to clean the floor. I can't leave it like this before I can have something to eat. I decided to clean the washing machine before cleaning the floor. I'll leave the cupboard to another day. For another day, I mean. Where's my biscuit? I can't even bother to wear gloves. So let me just clean the washing machine. Sometimes I wonder where did I get all this energy from? But I realize that when I take my mind off things and I listen to Quran or Adkar or Nasheed, I forgot that I even have any disability. So, but I need to listen to my body more. Like right now, my body is telling me that it has had enough. I need to stop, but I keep going. If I don't, I'll end up shutting down. So I'll have to stop. I'll just sweep the floor. That's it. Also, having to think beyond my disability is something that keeps me going to be able to cope with this FND. Alhamdulillah, my cooker is ready for another challenge, cookie challenge. Anyway, my head is clear now. I can think straight. So I've got this Allaah frozen turkey breast. So it's boneless. Yes, it's boneless. So I'm going to add cold water to that to defrost it. So I'll use it to make something tomorrow. I don't know what I'm going to make yet, but I'll come up with something, inshallah. Also, before I end today's video, the kid asked me to make egg and mackerel sandwich for them. So while I'm resting, I'll go and butter this bread to make the sandwich with. As you can see, that I haven't spread the bread with butter, but I would like to end today's video with one of my favorite surah, which is Surah Fatih, and my favorite verse on this surah is Wayan Surakallahu Nazran Aziza. Interpretation of the meaning: it means, and that Allah may help you with a mighty victory. I pray to Allah Subhannahu Wata Ala to grant all of us all everlasting victory against all our enemies. Ameen. With this, I live in the care of Allah Subhanahu Wa Ta'ala. Stay blessed and safe with lots of love. IWHAT.